Have you received a notice from your bank about their loan modification programs? Do you feel like the bank is actually trying to help you avoid foreclosure? Think again. It's a sad reality, but banks are only concerned about enhancing their own bottom line. I'm going to explain to you why you should not trust a bank, and you should get assistance when you're facing foreclosure. Hi, I'm Jim Keaveney of Keaveney Legal Group. We are a New Jersey and Pennsylvania-based law firm that focuses on foreclosure defense and other alternatives to foreclosure. Every day we help people just like you to obtain loan modifications, work out short sales, fight foreclosure, or pursue other options when dealing with their distressed home loan. In the course of those dealings, we're often amazed at the way that the banks take advantage of people just like you. For example, many banks will try to convince their customers that they are interested in offering loan modifications and approving short sales out of the goodness of their hearts. In fact, these lenders were coerced by the federal government into participating in these programs. They don't actually want to do them, they simply have to. As a result, although legally obligated to advise you of these programs, they may try to suggest that you should avoid the programs altogether. Don't bother participating in them. You should just continue to struggle with these unaffordable payments that they've socked you with. If the bank was on your side, they would simply modify your loan automatically and make it affordable for you without requiring the application process and proof of income. Remember, any statement by your bank suggesting that they actually want to work with you on reducing your monthly payment to avoid foreclosure is really for public relations reasons. It doesn't actually serve the bank's primary goal of making money to allow you to extend your loan repayment period, pay a lower interest rate, or forgive a portion of your debt. If the bank can avoid having to do these kinds of things, it will. So don't become overly comfortable with the bank or assume that they will catch any mistakes you make and help you try to fix them so that you can get your application straightened. Usually, if they can avoid helping you, they will. In fact, what we have seen is the banks will do almost anything they legally can do to put up roadblocks to stop the loan modification process, whether it's requiring additional proofs of income, mandating strict compliance with filing applications, or finding technicalities on which to deny a modification. We have seen the banks do it. For that reason, you need an experienced foreclosure defense attorney on your side to help ensure that everything is done correctly and to fight with the bank to make sure that they comply with the law. Another way the banks have turned the disadvantage of having to offer a loan modification into an advantage is by using that process to stall and buy time to get their ducks in a row to foreclose. Sometimes called the Modification Treadmill, banks just love to keep borrowers running around in circles while they quietly advance their case to foreclosure. One final denial and the foreclosure trap is sprung. The bank is taking the home and you are left holding the bag. Don't let the banks fool you or lull you into a false sense of security. At Keaveney Legal Group, we see these tactics all the time and know exactly how to keep your interest ahead of the banks. We are dedicated to helping people just like you, and we would be happy to discuss your case. You can give us a call at 1-800-219-0939 or email me at jim@keaveneylegalgroup.com. I'm Jim Keaveney, and you have a great day.